Numerical on photoelectric effect. First problem. A monochromatic source of light operating at 400 watt emits 8 into 10 to the power of 20 photons per second. Find the wavelength of light. If anybody want to solve, keep pause and try to solve. If not, once I will give the hint, take the hint and try to solve. Afterwards, again run the video and get the solution. So here, according to the problem, we have to find out the wavelength. So wavelength lambda we can get from the formula E equals to h mu nothing but c by lambda, so hc by lambda, so from that lambda equals to hc by E. So but here to find out the wavelength lambda, energy they did not give, but indirectly they mentioned power. So from the power formula, power nothing but n h mu, here n should be number of photons per second, so h mu energy per second nothing but power, so small n into h mu E energy, so power formula P equals to n E, so from that E equals to P by n. So this is the end. With this easily we can solve the given, means we can find out the wavelength lambda. So for that, energy of each photon E equals to, so given power 400 watt by number of photons small n value 8 into 10 to the power of 20. So if you simplify, you will get 5 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. So E value you got. So now if you can substitute the E value in the formula, so H value, C value constants, and E value if you substitute in this formula, then wavelength lambda equals to hc by E. So Planck constant value 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 light velocity by, we calculated the energy of the photon E 5 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. So now here 3 into 6.63 approximately 20, so 20 by 5 nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 8, and denominator minus 19 also you can shift to numerator, so plus 19, so you will get 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7, that is in meter according to SI system. But this one you can also write like this, 4000 into 10 to the power of minus 10, then 10 to the power of minus 10 nothing but 1 angstrom unit, so the answer will be 4000 angstrom unit. Now for the practice, one more similar kind of problem, so try to solve this one. A monochromatic source of light operating at 200 watt emits 2 into 10 to the power of 20 photons per second. Find the wavelength of light. So similar problem, so you can pause it and you can do the problem, if not just follow. So here power P 200 watt only, so number of photons also they mentioned, asking wavelength, so already known formula, so directly if you can find out the energy, from that energy we can find out wavelength. So energy equals to power by n number of photons per second, so if you substitute you will get 200 by 2 into 10 to the power of 20 nothing but 1 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. Now by using this wavelength lambda equals to hc by E, so 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joule. So now if you simplify, 6.63 into 3 nothing but 20 into 10 to the power of the remaining, if you add powers, then you will get 20 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter, nothing but we can also write as 200 into 10 to the power of minus 19 meter. So 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, nothing but nanometer, so we can also write 200 nanometer. Next problem, what is the minimum frequency of light to get photocurrent from a metal surface having work function 2.2 electron volt? Here asking about minimum frequency, so I am giving the hint. So it's a given data, only just work function they mentioned in electron volt, we can also convert into just volts. So here E nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 99 electron charge, and this is the hint, work function nothing but W naught equals to H mu naught, so mu naught equals to W naught by H. So W naught given data, H Planck's constant, if you substitute both. So from this 2.2 into 10 2.2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 work function by Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. So if you simplify, you will get numerator 3.52 by denominator 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 19 plus 34. So further if you simplify, you will get 5.3 into 10 to the power of 14 Hz. So they are asking minimum frequency, the frequency 5.3 into 10 to the power of 14 Hz. Next problem, what is the minimum wavelength? So previous question frequency, now asking maximum wavelength. What is the maximum wavelength of light to get photocurrent from a metal surface having work function 2.5 electron volt? So given data, so again here also I am giving the hint. So with the hint if you try to solve, if not don't pause and continue. So but better pause after getting the hint and try to solve individually. Now so this is the hint, they are asking about wavelength. So wavelength lambda naught, maximum wavelength or minimum frequency. So minimum frequency, threshold frequency, minimum wavelength, threshold, sorry, maximum wavelength, threshold wavelength. So this is the formula. Now if you substitute all, this is the formula, all values if you substitute 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 Planck's constant value. Similarly light velocity 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by denominator work function they mentioned 2.5 electron volt, so into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electron charge. If you multiply, it will be converted into joules. So now you will get numerator 6.625 into 3 approximately 20, denominator 2.5 into 1.6 is nothing but 4. So if you simplify everything, that is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this one you can also write as 5000 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So here 10 to the power of minus 10 nothing but angstrom. So 1 angstrom unit. So mean 500 angstrom unit, final answer. So the maximum wavelength 5000 angstrom unit required for photocurrent. Next problem. The photoelectric work function of potassium is 2.3 electron volt. If light having a wavelength of 3100 angstrom unit falls on potassium, find a kinetic energy in electron volt, they are asking, of the most energetic electrons emitted. B, the stopping potential in volts. So it's a given data. So I want to give first a small hint. So they are asking kinetic energy, they mentioned only wavelength. So with respect to wavelength, we can identify the energy of the photon. So if you can get the energy of the photon according to Einstein photoelectric equation, so energy of the photon equals to kinetic energy plus work function. So kinetic energy equals to energy of the photon minus work function. So this is the hint. So with this hint, try to solve by keeping pause. If not, continue. Now here they are asking in electron volt. So that is in electron volt. So E you will get in joule, but if you divide with electron charge, you will get everything in electron volt. So right from the beginning, so you can get it like this. So here Planck constant, light velocity and the denominator electron charge, if you substitute all other than lambda, that you have to substitute in angstrom unit. So remaining all constant values, if you simplify, then you will get the simplified formula 12,400 by lambda in in angstrom unit. So here lambda value you have to substitute in angstrom units only. So in the given data, lambda is in angstrom unit only, so no problem, as it is directly you can substitute. So you will get, according to this formula, you will get the energy of the photon in electron volt if you substitute lambda in angstrom unit. So if you get E in electron volt, work function they mentioned directly in electron volt, so you will get kinetic energy in electron volt. Let us see. So energy equals to 12,400 by wavelength 3100, so you will get in electron volt. So if you simplify, that is just 4 electron volt Now further they are asking maximum kinetic energy. So kinetic energy nothing but total energy of the photon minus work function. So work function 2.3. So that is why answer is 1.7 electron volt. Not only that, they are asking stopping potential also. So according to Einstein photoelectric equation, kinetic energy is also equals to electron charge into stopping potential. So from this, here kinetic energy value already we know, 1.7 electron volt equals to E V naught. So both side electron charge get cancelled. So stopping potential V naught equals to 1.7 volt. Similarly, one more problem. So try to solve this one individually by using the old problem. So given data. So if you want to solve, keep pause. So given data, work function 2.4 electron volt now, and wavelength lambda equals to 2800. So now we have direct formula. I explained already in the old problem. So energy 12,400 by lambda in angstrom unit. So you will get everything in electron volt. If you substitute wavelength in angstrom unit, you will get total in electron volt. So given wavelength lambda 2800, so approximately that is 4.4 electron volt. So therefore the kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy, energy of the photon minus work function, so 4.4 minus 2.4, so 2 electron volt. Now B, maximum kinetic energy equals to stopping potential into charge. So from this you can identify B, that is stopping potential. So that is kinetic energy maximum 2 electron volt equals to stopping potential into charge. So charge get cancelled. So therefore stopping potential is 2 electron volt. Thank you one and all.